How to delete a Google account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete a Google account. So how do you do so? The first step is for you to launch your Gmail app and then you're logged in. Then move to the top left corner of the screen and click on three horizontal lines. Once you've done that, in the drop down menu that appears, scroll down and click on settings. Then select the Google account that you would like to delete. On the Google account page, select manage your Google account and you'll be taken to the settings page. On this page, the next step would be for you to head over to your data and privacy tab. Then you click on it. On the data and privacy page, scroll down until you can see the option for you to delete a Google service. So just go ahead and scroll down, all right? So now you can see the option delete a Google service just below download your data. So click on that. Then you will be taken to another page where you will be asked to verify your identity. You may be asked to enter in your passkey or your biometrics or your password, whichever one. Just ensure you enter in the required. And now you can see the option for you to delete a Google service. Then you can download your data if you want to. But if you don't want to, just go ahead and click on the trash bin icon next to Gmail. And you will be asked to enter in the Gmail, the email account that you want to use to log in into Google and use other Google services. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. And then click on send verification email. And then you must note that the email that you want to use in replacement for this must not be a Gmail. So it has to be an email, not a Gmail. Take note of that. And then click on send verification mail. The verification mail will be sent to that particular email address, and then your Google account will be permanently deleted. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.